Okay, when you're going to start a business or you are already doing a business, think about this way. Like, why does the pilot get paid for? Why does the pilot get paid for? My views on this is that the pilot does not get paid to take off and to land. The plane becomes autopilot nowadays, but why it still needs a pilot there? Why pilot was known for how many hours he flew the plane? Because we take comfort in knowing when something gets wrong with the plane, when the engines get blow up, when the engines get seizes, and we had a rough path turbulence, then the person behind the wheel is going to know what to do. So you think about the pilot, it's actually getting paid to manage the difficulties and complexities. He's not just getting paid for take off and to land. Same like this, anyone can start the business and register and open the bank account, and anyone can hire the team and start giving the instruction to do this and that. But what really makes you a leader? It's how to step up when it's time to step up.